Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. So let's just go to the kitchen. Let's see the ingredients we are having on this breakfast. Right, so let's see what we are having for today's smoothie. So we are having half cup of any milk of your choice. I'm having almond milk, half cup of almond milk. Then I have about 3 spoon or 4 spoon of oats. Then I will just add it to the milk. Then I've got flax seed, 1 spoon of flax seed. Then we are adding dates, 2 pieces of dates to add flavor to it. You can add honey if you want, or you can choose not to add any of these 2 items. Then I'm going to be adding apple, 1 apple, just cut it and add it to it. Then of course I'm going to be adding I think this is too much. I'm going to be adding like a half spoon of protein powder. Just blend it and this is the result. So I hope you guys like this. It's thick and it's good for breakfast. To take you for a longer time and rich in protein, antioxidants. So it's good for you on your weight loss journey, and it nourishes your skin from inside to the outside. It is fantastic. Thumbs up. Thank you for liking and watching.